when an object about the size of Mars, known as Theia, collided with a version of our Earth that was very different from the one we live on today billions of years ago. The Moon was created as a result. Scientists have spent decades trying to solve the scientific riddle of how precisely that formation took place. According to the majority of theories, the Moon developed from the collision's debris over the course of several months or years. The Moon might have formed immediately, in a matter of hours, according to a new simulation, when material from the Earth and Theia was launched straight into orbit following the impact. As a result, the Moon's evolution now has a much wider range of potential starting points. The Institute for Computational Cosmology at Durham University developed a highly accurate computer simulation that revealed this alternate origin theory for Earth's lunar companion. According to this novel theory, dubbed the immediate satellite scenario, the proto-moon was less molten during its formation, and much of the Moon likely formed right away, following a massive impact on Earth. This more rapid formation theory would also imply a different internal composition for the Moon, which might provide an explanation for some of the oddly Earth-like traits found in lunar samples. When Earth was struck by an object from space called Theia, which was about the size of Mars, the Moon is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago. The Moon's outer layer was revealed to be rich in material coming from the Earth by the high-resolution results produced by impressive computing power. The similarity in isotopic composition between the lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo astronauts and the Earth's mantle may be explained by this formation route. These new simulations indicate that such a body might not only withstand tidal forces, but also be propelled into a higher orbit, saving it from the possibility of being totally destroyed in the future by such forces. Subscribe now for astronomy, cosmology, and science videos.